Welcome back to the final part of our series on The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. In this episode, we're going to pull everything together: the psychology, the stories, the lessons, and talk about how you can actually apply it to your real-life financial strategy. Because knowing is one thing, doing is another. Let's begin with a simple truth. Money success is not about IQ. It's about how you behave. Patience, discipline, humility, and emotional control beat spreadsheets and market predictions every time. 1. Use money to buy time and control. Morgan says the highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up and say, "I can do whatever I want today." It's not flashy cars or fancy watches. It's autonomy. When you're not enslaved to debt or dependent on every paycheck, you start to gain real power over your life. So your goal shouldn't be just to get rich. It should be to get free. 2. Respect the power of compounding. One of the biggest lessons in this book is that small, consistent decisions over time lead to incredible results. Remember, Warren Buffett made over 95% of his wealth after the age of 65. Why? Because compounding takes time. And time is your most powerful financial asset. Start early. Be consistent. Be patient. 3rd, don't try to outperform everyone. You don't need to beat the market. You need to stay in the game. Morgan makes it clear. Too many people lose because they try to be clever, timing the market, chasing hot stocks, or over-leveraging. The real winners are often boring investors. They buy low-cost index funds, avoid big mistakes, and stay invested for decades. In other words, don't play someone else's game. Play the game you can win. 4. Save like a pessimist, invest like an optimist. This paradox is powerful. Save money as if bad times are coming, because at some point they will. But invest as if the future will grow, because historically it does. The blend of defense and offense is what builds true resilience. Think of it this way. Cash is your oxygen tank. Investments are your rocket fuel. 5. Wealth is what you don't see. Wealth isn't your car, your clothes, or your Instagram post. It's the money you don't spend, the money you keep, the freedom you build in silence. Stop trying to impress people. Start trying to be free. Because people who understand money don't flex. They accumulate. 6. Stick to a strategy you can live with. Your financial plan shouldn't be the smartest one. It should be the one you're most likely to stick with. Risk tolerance, emotional comfort, and simplicity are underrated in finance. Complicated strategies often fall apart when real life gets messy. So instead of asking, "What's optimal?" ask, "What's sustainable for me over the next 20 years?" 7. Prepare for the unexpected. The future is unpredictable, so don't act like you know exactly what's coming. Build margins into your financial life. Have an emergency fund. Don't overextend. Accept that some things will go wrong, and plan accordingly. Morgan puts it perfectly. The most important part of every plan is planning on your plan, not going according to plan. 8. Know when to stop. More money isn't always better. The pursuit of more can destroy everything you've already built. Avoid the trap of endless growth with no end in sight. Set goals. Define what enough looks like for you. And when you get there, protect it with everything you've got. Closing thoughts. So, what's the big takeaway from The Psychology of Money? That money is emotional. That success isn't about being a genius. It's about being consistent, humble, patient, and realistic. And that wealth is less about what you know and more about how you behave every single day. If this series helped shift your mindset, consider revisiting these videos when you feel lost or uncertain. This book isn't just financial advice, it's a life philosophy. Thanks for watching Part 4 of The Psychology of Money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this brought value to your financial journey. And check the links in the description for the full playlist and tools to help you take control of your money. See you in the next series.